How to unmute story on Instagram. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. And for reference, I will be muting on the first story here. So long press on that user and click on mute. Then proceed to mute story. Once you do this, you will never see stories from this specific user again. Now to unmute this, go to your profile tab by clicking on the right part. Click on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings and Privacy. In this page, just scroll down until you see Muted. Click on that. And in here, you will see the user that we muted a while ago. Click on that user. Their account will then show. And click on the arrow beside the word following. Tap on Mute. And then turn off the toggle for the stories to unmute them. So that is how to unmute story on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.